If you want to add Square to your GoDaddy website, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to connect Square as a payment option so you can start accepting payments on your GoDaddy store. This is a really useful setup if you want to give your customers more flexibility at checkout. And I'll also mention what to do if Square doesn't appear in your region. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, log in to your GoDaddy product page. This is the main area where you can manage all of your GoDaddy products, including your website and online store. Once you're signed in, look for the section called Websites plus Marketing. This is where your website tools and store settings are located. Now, find the website you want to update and click Manage next to it. This will open your website dashboard where you can control your store settings, products, payments, and more. If you manage more than one site, make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and expand the Store section. Inside that menu, click Settings. This is where GoDaddy keeps the main store configuration options, including payment methods. On the Settings page, click Payment Methods. This will show you the different ways customers can pay through your GoDaddy store. You may see multiple options here depending on your region and account setup, so take a moment to review the available choices. Next, scroll down and expand the section labeled Other Credit/Debit Card Payment Providers. This section is important because it contains regional payment options and third-party processors that can connect to your store. Once expanded, look for Square in the list. When you locate Square, click the Connect button next to it. GoDaddy will then start the connection process. At this stage, you'll usually be redirected or prompted to sign in to your Square account. Make sure you use the correct Square login details for the account you want to connect. After logging in, follow the prompts to grant permission for GoDaddy to process transactions through Square. This permission is required so the two platforms can work together properly. Carefully review any access requests before confirming it, then approve the connection to continue. Once the connection is complete, Square should be linked to your GoDaddy website, and you'll be able to use it as part of your store's payment setup. It's always a good idea to test your checkout flow afterward, so you can make sure everything is working the way you expect. Now, here's an important note. If you do not see Square listed, that usually means your store's country or region settings do not match a region supported by Square. In that case, go back into your store settings and check your region configuration. If the region is incorrect, update it to the supported country or region, then refresh the Payment Methods page and look again for Square. And that's it. You've now learned how to add Square to your GoDaddy website. If this walkthrough saved you time, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.